printer head is busy heating up. It's now at 149 degrees Celsius. It's headed to 190 degrees Celsius, whereupon the printing of the propeller will start. So this will be the first thing that we'll be printing on this printer since we printed this calibration thingy. And we're at 165 degrees Celsius and climbing. So one of the nice things about 3D printing is you spend a lot of time waiting for it to reach temperature, waiting for it to print, waiting for it to cool down. The printer's now reached temperature and it's going to start printing. And there we go, it starts. So what it starts first is it prints a kind of a substrate at the bottom. Just
it doesn't.
No,
it doesn't at the moment.
No, it's busy doing that now.
Is it?
Yeah, it's printing. It just prints the.
Okay.
It prints like a carpet on which to print the actual thing.
3 weeks of. How many weeks? A month?
About a month, 3.5 weeks. Say 4 weeks. Saturdays and Tuesday evenings, and it's all come together. I notice for this one the fan is going, so the application actually controls the fan, not the...
Yeah, that is good.
280.
Yeah, now it's actually cooling down. So it always prints the scaffolding in a slightly higher temperature. The previous test print ran the scaffolding at 210 degrees, and now it's gone down to 180 for the actual... and this scaffolding was done at 190 degrees.
I don't know how we should get it off later.
So it's rendering now from STL file on this PC to a BF, what do you call this thing?
BFE.
That's from bytes.
That's actual instructions it must follow.
Yeah, so that's basically the X, Y, Z and which head and so on, what temperature, whether to have the fan or not. See, now what it's doing is it's printing a very thin scaffolding layer again. I don't know if you can zoom in on that.
I can.
Which I think is the thinnest it can print, which is point, what did you say? 0.125.
Like an hour at least, or huh?
Well, it's been running now.
At least.
It's been running now for at least 30-40 minutes.
Yeah.
And that's only what?
Rather
Nearly 2
taking
centimeters.
Like a good
2 hours.
2 hours.